जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी। बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम। पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय। संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय। Today here Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about eroticism, and this is Abhang serial number 60. And here Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling why we are around, means taking again and again birth, and again we will go to die, or why we are seeing so many sad days in our life. So here first reason Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling to us, due to eroticism. What is that? Why we are wasting time to do those type of things? Because it is one of the requirement of any animal, not only human being, and due to that this universe, means this Jagat, or you can tell world, is going on. If there that thing is not there, then no, means new generation will not come. But in limit, if it is there, it's good. But if you are doing, or if you are, we are living only for that only, then it is not good for our health. It is not good for our future achievement. If you want to do something, or if you want to achieve something better, then we have to control those things, and then only we can start that Atma Chintana. Then only we can think about the God. Then only we can think about our goal. So here Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling, there have 4 types of women in as per Hindu Dharma Shastra, and in that types, first quality of woman is Shankini, means who don't have trust on her husband, on her child, or herself. Always she is confused. She don't know what need to do. She is just wasting time to this is correct or this is right, this is thing, that is, means she is just wasting time to thinking only, or thinking about other people, but she not concentrating on herself. If she concentrate on herself, she can achieve anything, but she not doing that thing. So this is a 4th type of quality woman, that is called Shankini. Third quality of the woman is Hastini, means she will do something but for her own stomach itself, means for own stomach purpose. How much required? She will eat, she will sleep, she will eat, she will sleep. Like that she will pass her day in her life, and one day she will die. That is called Hastini, means just eating, sleeping like elephant. She will not think much and more, because today have, that's it, okay. We will not think about anything about kids, anything about a husband, anything about other people, just ourselves, means self thing, that is only for body, not for the Atma, or not for the spirituality. It's just for this physical body. And second type of quality is called Chitrini, means who is a decorative woman, means she want to decorate her house, she want to decorate everything, whatever she can do, she will give 100% to decorate that. She don't want her husband as a lazy guy. She want her husband very like smart, wear the proper dress, or her kids she want to very intelligent, or they must have do proper study, they must earn proper money, they develop in their life. Like that expectation that's woman is having, and that is second type of woman, and it's called Chitrini. And first quality woman is called Padmini. She overall will think not only for herself, she will come to know herself, that spirituality. After that she will think about her family, and she will try to show them how they are great, how love is great, how lovely we can stay in this world. Or she can tell the society also, she can spread that good thoughts in the country. Like that she will do extraordinary thing, and that type of woman is called Padmini. So here Sant Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling us, when we are walking on way to Paramartha, then we must control our mind to go behind bad thoughts. If such a beautiful lady is standing in front of us, then don't think bad, otherwise we will lose our right path. Yes, like that, in that four type of woman, if first quality woman is standing in front of us, then also don't think bad, because maximum so many people, once other women are we can see, then they will think bad ways, or something bad thoughts will come in their mind. But what we have to do in that situation, we have to think something good, like she is our mother, she is our sister, she is like goddess, or like that. And who is our wife, just keep exclusive emotion with our wife, but other woman just think like mother and sister. If you done like that, then our this Atma will become Shuddha, it will become pure. If you not think like this way, and if you think bad way, then we will become devil, we will become shaitan, we will become Rakshasa. So to avoid those type of position and improve ourselves to next position, so what we have to do, we have to control those bad thoughts and control that bad deeds. Next he is telling, eroticism is one type of poison which is the reason for most of the sadness in our life. Yes, what we are thinking, that eroticism is love. No, it's not love. Love is something different. It's regarding heart relation, it's regarding feeling. But this eroticism is nothing but just one thing which is required to run this universe, run this world, because without that new generation will not come out, or new generation will not take birth. So God have given that thing to every animal to run this world, but what we are doing, just wasting time for that thing only, and thinking in that only we are have love. But love is something different. If you have love, we will not hurt anyone, you will help everyone, you will make lovely words, or you will use some lovely words to everybody, and you will love our child, you will love our parents, you will love our wife. And in that type of quality, means in that environment, we will feel ourselves satisfied. But in this eroticism, what we will do, we will think something we are hiding from the society, something we are keeping secret in our heart, and that secret will come once out, we will feel bad ourselves. So this is limitation is okay, one limit must we have to put there, and after that we have to think about the love. Love is greatest thing, love is very important in life, not eroticism. So we have to avoid eroticism, and we have to improve love feeling, it's very required. We are wasting our important lifetime in unnecessary thoughts and myths. We will think earning money for the family is more important than knowing spirituality, and out of 24 hours maximum time we will give for this, but 10 minutes also we will not do Atma Chintana. Yes, is correct. Just see daily our life schedule, what we are doing, we are just running behind property, behind money, means it's required, yes, we have to earn, but we have to keep one limit. We have to think first something ourselves, what we are doing, from which way we are earning money. If we are earning money through the bad ways, we are cheating someone, then it's totally bad, and it will be affect one day in our life, and that time we will become sad. So give some time to know what is good, what is bad. Use that sense, that is called common sense, and think which path is correct and which is wrong, and give some time to the family, give some time to yourself. If you not done this thing in our proper life, particular timing, that particular time, then one day we will become old, and that time our family will be not with us, not that position, not that designation with us, not those employee with us. That time we are alone and we are feeling so sad, so bad, and that time we will miss those days. Yeah, that time I have chance to sit with family, sit with my child, sit with my wife and speak something, or waste means do some activities with them, but we are not done anything, just we are wasting time to earn. But how much we have to think, and then give some time to family. It's very important to improve love feeling, to improve humanity is very required. Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj told us that due to Sadguru's kindness, I came to know the main goal of human life, and to achieve that I am spending time to know myself. Yes, because without proper person in our life, we can't know which is correct path and which is right path, wrong path, because in this world thousands of ways are there, like in dictionary thousands of words are there, but if you want to proper word to speak with someone, then someone need to tell us which word for that means. If I know one language like Hindi and I don't know for that particular word what is mean in the English, so someone must have there to tell me for that word meaning in English, so I will come to know correct. But if I start searching that thousands of words in the dictionary, then I will waste my time, and means it will take more time to identify correct way. So if someone is came in our life who is showing us proper path, and that person must have reached that destination. Without reached that destination, don't follow blindly to anyone, because that Sadguru only correct, who have reached that position, who know himself, and in his heart forgiveness, peace and love are existed, then only we can trust that type of people. If there is no love, there is no forgiveness, there is no peace, then don't trust those type of people. They just are cheating us, they are just showing wrong path to us, because they only don't know, then how they can tell us how is Paramatma, how is spirituality. So trust on those people who are the good human being and follow those way, then definitely we will come to know spirituality. Ganeshnath, 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 Ganeshnath. बोला पुंडलिक वरधारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.